12 long-distance relationship advice for guys. Some guys don't pass the test when it comes to making a long-distance relationship last. Why? It's because they tend to act like little boys who easily get excited about new things and new people, even if it means letting go of what they already have or hurting someone they love to have fun. If you're a guy in a long-distance relationship and you want to prove this common belief wrong, start by being an excellent partner to your girlfriend. If you think you almost fit the opposite category, then this video is what you need to make that significant change for the person you love. By the way, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification button bell. Thanks for supporting our channel. Here are 12 long-distance relationship pieces of advice for guys like you. 1. Try to be better at expressing your feelings through words. Most guys aren't good at verbally expressing how they feel, but it doesn't mean that you should readily accept this reality and do nothing about it. On the contrary, as someone in a relationship, you should make an effort to find ways to tell your girlfriend the things and words that they want to hear. Learn how to comfort them when they feel alone and make them feel loved by saying how you genuinely feel, whether in words or through actions. 2. Don't look at your girlfriend as someone weak and vulnerable. Women today no longer fit the definition of a weak and vulnerable damsel in distress. Instead, most of them choose to be strong and independent. So don't treat your girlfriend as if they can't take care of and protect themselves. Don't prevent them from having fun, traveling, or trying out new things and activities. Instead, be supportive and believe that they can be whatever they want to become. 3. Make it a habit to set reminders, especially about important dates. Remembering the dates are essential, especially if you're in a long-distance relationship. You are allowed to be forgetful, but you have the responsibility to try harder to remember. Make use of technology or other means of reminding yourself if a special occasion is coming up. Set phone reminders, mark your calendar, or list them down on a note and stick it on your dashboard. 4. Apologize if you know that you did something wrong. Admitting that you did something wrong is the first and only way to make your girlfriend feel that you're sorry. Therefore, it's also essential that you know how to apologize. First, tell them what you did and why you thought it was a mistake. Then, please find a way to either correct it or make changes so it won't happen again. Finally, learn from what you did wrong and move forward. 5. Stop being lazy and surprise her with the most creative gift ideas. Girls love surprises. Send a cute package of her favorite items or even a box of chocolates. Your thoughtfulness will make her happy, and it will make her feel as if you've never left, even just for a few seconds. This matters a lot, especially if you won't see each other for a long time. 6. She will appreciate your honesty, so always choose to tell the truth. You can't love someone truly if you always hide the truth with your lies just because you think it will protect her from feeling hurt. You're not thinking about how she will feel, but you're scared of what she will think of you when she finds out. It's selfish and unfair. So you know what to do if you want your relationship to last. 7. Know the difference between flirting and just being friendly. It's normal for guys to have friends of the opposite sex, but sometimes your girlfriend might feel that you're being insensitive of how she feels when you get too close to other people, especially girls. You have to know your limits and set the proper boundaries. You can start by having a clear idea of the difference between flirting and just being friendly. 8. Don't make her feel alone by ignoring her attempts to talk to you. Intentionally avoiding her calls is always unacceptable. However, if you're extremely busy, it won't hurt if you tell her. A good partner will understand if you can't answer the phone because you're doing something important. 9. Make an effort to call back or text back. It means a lot to her. With the previous section, you should do everything in your power to reply to her text messages or even to call her back if you missed a call. It will mean a lot to her, and you would want her to do the same thing, right? 10. Be sensitive about your girl's feelings and choose your words well. You can't just say anything just because you want to say it, especially if you're in the middle of an argument. Think of how she would feel and examine first if your words are not hurtful or rude. Respect her not only as a girlfriend, but as a human being. Sometimes, couples say things that they don't mean to defend themselves or to fight back. It's a toxic and unhealthy way of dealing with a disagreement. 11. Don't be too possessive and unreasonably overprotective. Your girlfriend has her own life or friends and her personal goals. You do not have the right to control her life and to decide about her future. You are not protecting her by being possessive and overprotective. Instead, you are limiting her potential to be the best version of herself. 12. Never give up something long-term for something temporary. Don't let temporary pleasures ruin the beautiful relationship that you have with your girlfriend. Temptations are there to test your love for your partner, and failing that test means you don't deserve her at all. Temporary remedies are just there to make you forget the present sadness that you feel, but once it's all said and done, you'll be the one to suffer not just once but for a very long time when she finally leaves you. Don't wait for that to happen. Showing your girl that you're willing to make the effort of becoming a better man is one of the ways to prove that your love is genuine. We hope that these pieces of advice will help you figure out what you should do to make your significant other the happiest. Good luck! The value of love is slowly lost when we have way too much. There is just no time to appreciate it. It is in times of separation and distance that you truly understand the meaning of love. Tiffany Health. Please leave your comment below if you have anything to share with us. Thanks for watching our video.